Each year, we hear from applicants that they're concerned about writing their personal statement or essay. Our application includes multiple essay prompts. These essays are a great opportunity for you to highlight more about yourself and tell us why you feel that Gies Online Programs is a good fit for you. It's important to know how your chosen program will help you to achieve your goals. The academic statement includes several prompts which you can answer as separate questions or in one comprehensive essay. The recommended length for the academic statement is 500 words or roughly 2 pages. The personal statements allow you to provide short answers, 250 words or less, within the provided text box. Very short answers will not adequately address the prompts. Likewise, very long essays are not necessary as we just need highlights of your candidacy. We strongly recommend having a friend or trusted colleague review your drafts and offer feedback. If you have any concerns with your application file, such as low GPA or gaps in employment history, we suggest using the optional personal statement to address them.